Hello, Mom and Sir. Good morning, good afternoon. I am Divine Grace Sicayago, 29 years of age, from San Carlos City, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am the youngest child of our family. I have two brothers and four sisters. I am living here now in the Philippines and willing to apply abroad, and hope I meet your standard in finding your helpers. I'm also here to discuss to you my work experience from 2018 to 2024. I worked from three employers. The first one was family member of 3. The second one is a family member of 7. And the third one is a family member of 6. And my last employer was living in Hong Kong. I am the ex-Hong Kong helper also. My main duties there was take care of their son, a 10-year-old boy, going to school, accompanied him in all activities outside of their home. I also prepare his stuff and food and taking care of him during his holidays. I'm also taking care of the one dog, their pets, and also taking care of the house, like helping the co-helpers to clean and to cook. I'm here also, willing again to apply in Hong Kong as helpers for any job, like taking care of your son or daughters, and willing also to work there in multitasking. Thank you and God bless.